Now
Okay.
Lily's gonna open this. Do you know how to open it?
I already got her through it.
Okay.
It comes with a thank you note. And then we got 2 stickers. Which one do you want? Choose.
Drizzle.
And
I'll
then
take this
a
one.
green bunny mochi.
I'll take
Okay.
this one.
And then some sticky spray. And then a rubber band,
bracelet.
slime vibes. I read about this on their website, but yeah. Love it, Peachy Babies. Thank you.
Thank you, Peachy Babies.